This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use WordPress as a headless CMS. This modern approach separates your content from its presentation, offering significant flexibility and powerful new possibilities. Traditionally, WordPress handles both content management and front-end display. By going headless, WordPress becomes solely a powerful content repository, while a separate front-end application handles the visual user experience, allowing developers to build highly customized, lightning-fast interfaces. To effectively implement a headless WordPress setup, you need two primary components. First, a modern JavaScript framework will power your front-end application, handling all visual interactions. Second, WordPress will serve as your content engine, exposing its data through either its native REST API or a more advanced GraphQL solution. This combination ensures a highly efficient and adaptable system. Setting up your headless WordPress involves a few key steps. Begin by installing WordPress and ensuring its API endpoints are accessible, which often means proper permalink configuration. Next, leverage custom post types and powerful plugins to define your content structure precisely. Finally, your front-end application will then make calls to the WordPress API, retrieving your content and rendering it beautifully, offering full control over the user experience. The benefits of a headless WordPress architecture are compelling, providing substantial advantages. You gain superior performance due to optimized front-end rendering, along with enhanced security from separating your database from your public-facing site. Furthermore, you can distribute content across an unlimited number of platforms, from websites to mobile applications, and beyond, all managed from a single WordPress instance, offering incredible flexibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.